Hi, everybody. It's me, Liz from Curve Your Learning. I hope you're doing well. Today, I just wanted to talk about ELD and my new little friend. You have guessed it, Jamboard. Okay, how do we bring in ELD with the Jamboard? Well, right here, just in case you're not familiar, in our Google Waffle, we see Jamboard. Click on that and it leads you to this page. Click on the plus button there and you create a new Jamboard. And I think it's a really great way to connect with students and build their background. I'm always talking about sentence frames, that verbal practice in sentence frames, building upon those two. But we need to give kids the background, the language to use to fill in those sentences, those verbal, and of course we need written practice. So, okay, friends, I decided to use some Jamboard to build background, some Jamboard activities. Okay, so I'm going to name it. I'm going to change the background. Do as you see fit, friends. I'm going to add an image just from Google. Just going to do a little image search. Arctic tundra. This is the one I choose. I choose you. Okay, and then I'm going to add in a text box. And that is going to say, what do you notice? What do you notice? And is this just for English language learners? No, of course you can do this activity with all of your students into midway or ending a lesson, a unit. You can do this as a team task. You can do it as a solo project. You can do it as a whole group. This case, it would be for small group for English language development. And we're trying to build the background. So we're starting the unit by presenting this picture and we're asking them, what do you notice? What do you notice? So we want them to take a sticky note, write their name or number, some way of identification, maybe their initials. Maybe you don't want that yet. Maybe you're going to save that for the end. So maybe the first time, the beginning of the unit, you just want to gather what the children know. So what do you notice? I'm going to say, it's icy. And boom, there's mine. It's icy. That's it. And the way you're going to share that with kids so that they can write on it is you're going to make sure that they have rights. They have to be editors on this to use it. So click editor, done. Now you can share it in Google Classroom, you can share it in the chat, you can share it in email, you can share it in whichever learning management system that you're using. This way students can give you information, you can see where they're at, you can see how it builds over time. You can do that pre-assessment, you can do that middle assessment. Maybe you're going to add on to this. Maybe you're going to have 2 pictures and ask students to notice the similarities. Maybe you're going to ask them to use sentence frames added on this page right underneath that will help them respond on that sticky note. You might use this at the end as an assessment of not only application and knowledge, but of writing. You know that little chestnut. Are they writing? Are they writing in complete sentences? What grammatical issues are they mastering or having difficulty with? It's a great resource for ELD. It's quick, it's fun. You can create several of these and have them go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. You can have them do it as a team task at the end of the unit and then present. Maybe you have one slide about what you notice, and maybe one slide is talking about the habitat. One is talking about the animals you find in the habitat. One is talking about the characteristics of animals that live in that habitat. You can do many things with this. I absolutely love Jamboard, and I hope you love it too. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Let me know other ideas you have. Thanks, folks. Bye.